Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on revision part 2. So this video, in a similar manner to the last video, has 3 slides of questions, and the answers to each slide will appear at the end. Okay, so this video continues the revision exercises that were started in the previous video. So there's question 1, and it has 4 parts. You can pause the video at any time to do the answers. Question 2, what number is represented by each of the following? And there we are, you have to answer all those there. Question 3, what number is represented by each of the following? Write your answers here. Question 4, write these ordinal numbers using the short way with the numerals. Just write your answers there. Remember, you can just do this on your own sheet of paper, obviously. Number 5, write the numeral for each of the following. And I will be writing the answers here for you. And finally, place the correct beads on each abacus to make the given number. Now, if you like, it's up to you what you do, but you can go back to the first slide if you like, then the second, then the third in order, and start doing the questions. I will leave that to you. Here we go now with the answers. So that's the first slide with the answers on it. That is the second slide containing all the answers. And that is the last slide with the answers. So I hope you enjoyed that revision. And remember, the more revision you do, the stronger you'll be at mathematics.